Hi again, welcome to InspireMe series. Be prepared to raise your glass now because I will be showing you great recipes today. I will start with a question: where do you look for inspiration when it is time for a drink? British premium vodka brand Au Vodka aims to turn their website into the perfect source of inspiration, and today we will have a closer look at how. While I'm showing some examples from Au Vodka, I will be also talking about story group animation and some very cool ways of using interactive components. Let's talk about story bar design first. It is very important to grab the attention of the shoppers from the moment they enter to your site. That's why dynamic, energetic, eye-catching story groups working really well, and preferably on the top of the page. Story is pretty flexible on this because you can customize story bar and you can even apply some animations to your story groups. Today's example is Au Vodka because they are using these animations features very beautifully. And they have very cool interactive features like quizzes, polls, open-ended questions, and that's why the engagement rate is so good actually. It is over 25%. And now it is time to see how they use Storyly. Let's see together. And this is the Au Vodka website. Look at the animations here around the story group covers for new arrivals, Au creations. I don't see it for promotions because it's only for unseen story groups. And let's check our first story group, which is new arrivals. This story group is all about the new products with emoji reactions. Let's go to the first story, which is about a recipe. You can mix your cosmic berries with Fanta berry. Cosmic berry looks like something that I will definitely love. And do you agree to that? Will you try cosmic berry? Let's see our second story group now, which is Au creations. Personally, this is my favorite because it's all about the creations again with poll feature, emoji reactions, open-ended questions. This time I will select red berry on this poll. Again, I'm seeing these emoji reactions with the percentage users are reacting, and I can rate these recipes again. Oh, this one looks so great. This is very inspiring. Those creations are so much fun to watch, and I have many ideas already. And the last one, let's finally see have your say. This is kind of like a this or that structure. I'm saying these cosmic berry or bubblegum. Cosmic berry is the one. And again, frosted shot glass or bomb glass. Oh, this blue raspberry gift looks really great. And this group is all about this poll feature. And that was all for this week. Hope you enjoyed as well. And just let us know what you think of this and what would you like to see next. Cheers!